Hello there, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So if you have been looking for writing jobs with a little success, today is your day, guys. I know how hard it is to land job, especially right now. So I'm going to share a site that is currently hiring writers all over the world, especially Kenyans. Tumefikiwa. Yeah, so this site actually prefers Kenyans. It feels it's a breath of fresh air when you find companies that are not Kenyan, that actually prefers Kenyan writers, or let me just say African writers, because there are so many of them out there that are only looking for native speakers of the English language. So it's a breath of fresh air that I've actually landed on one that is that prefers Kenyans. So immediately after this video, please run over to the site and apply, and hopefully you can start earning from writing. So let's get into the video. Oh, sorry. Before that, guys, if you're new here, first, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Secondly, please consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, and personal development. If that is the kind of content you're looking for on YouTube, please give me that subscription, okay? Doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me grow, and also it will you can also share me out to your friends, relatives. That way YouTube will know that this information is useful and it will reach as many people as possible. Also, if you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, okay? So let's get into it. So the site is called CopySmiths.com, guys. You can see there, CopySmiths.com is a blog writing service for online stores. So when you go to CopySmiths.com, you'll scroll down, go to the careers page, then scroll down to article writers. We also have quality checkers, we have graphic designers, but now we are focusing on article writers. So click apply here. When you click apply here, it will take you to the application page. So you can see CopySmith.com is a tight-knit team of 50 plus happy, productive writers. So now this is quite promising. It means it's a big company with a large number of writers. So you continue scrolling down. And then now this is the job description. We are looking for freelance, part-time and full-time writers to join our team. Experienced writers and beginners are both welcome. So it doesn't matter whether you are advanced or intermediate, or you are just a beginner. Anyone can apply to this job. So the good thing is that they have also answered most of your questions. Most of your FAQs have been answered. How much can I earn? I know that is always the pressing question for everyone. So they say that you will earn 107,000 Kenya shillings. Can you imagine they have even recognized our Kenya shillings? That is so nice to see. So you'll earn that in Kenya shillings, or 890 US dollars per month for 4 articles per week. It's an Australian company, so they pay in Australian dollars. By writing 4 articles a week, you will be able, per week, you'll be able to earn 890 US dollars per month. If that sounds like a good amount for you, please head over to CopySmiths.com and start applying right now. So you can write more articles. Of course, the more you write, the more you earn. Is this a full-time role? Yeah, it's you can take it as a full-time role if you want, but it's flexible. You can work on your own schedule whenever you like, and wherever you like. When will I be paid? That's always another pressing question. So they say payment is made every Tuesday to your Wise account. Those who are in Kenya, this is also a good thing, because now you can withdraw to your M-Pesa account directly. So they say that they pay in Australian dollars. I already mentioned that. How much work is available? So you would want to definitely to know how much work they have, because it's a good thing if it is something that if they have a lot of jobs, that means that you will never lack work. So they say that they have a full queue of 100 plus articles available every day. That's a good sign, meaning you will never lack work, hopefully. So you can take as many articles from the queue as you wish. You see, this is another good thing. But now they have a deadline of 3 days. Once you pick a job, what will I be writing about? So they have a group of clients with e-commerce stores. They sell everything and anything. That means you'll be writing about a range of topics. So being versatile is a plus here. I'm a beginner. Can I apply? Absolutely yes. So like as mentioned above there, from beginner, anyone from beginner to advanced can apply to this job. So they don't allow agencies, only individuals. I'm not Kenyan. Can I apply? So like I said, they prefer Kenyans, but now you can apply even wherever you are in the world. It's just that we mostly advertise in Kenya. So that is what they say. So 80% of our team are Kenyan, but the rest of the crew are from everywhere else. Yes. Does CopySmiths offer training? Yeah, they say yes, lots of it. This is also a good thing, by the way. Especially when you're starting out, if you can get a client who is patient with you, who can offer you training along the way, even as you continue writing for them, it is a big plus, because by the time maybe you are done working for them, you'll have learned a lot. So it's a good thing that they offer training. What else? So you will scroll down. Yeah, why should I work with CopySmiths? They have explained the reasons why you should work for them. You will read through those reasons and see if they fit you. I have applied. When will I receive a reply? So they say that they reply you within 2 to 7 days. I have been rejected. Can I apply again? Yes, you can apply again. I'm having trouble creating. So all these questions have been answered for you, okay? You don't need to worry. So simply go to copysmiths.com, go through everything that they have listed there in terms of the job description. Make sure that you don't miss a thing. Then come down here to application steps. Then apply to CopySmiths. Another thing, guys, when you're applying, make sure that everything that is mentioned here, if they have said that you attach a portfolio, please do that. If they have said that you shouldn't attach a Word document, please don't. So make sure you follow the description, or follow everything that has been said there to increase your chances of being accepted. One of the ways that the employers weed people out is through the application process. They will see if you followed the instructions first and foremost, and if you included everything that has been mentioned. So make sure you are increasing your chances by including everything. Yes. So that is the process. You will apply, send them an email with everything attached, and then wait. Within 2 to 7 days, they will get back to you. Hopefully with some good news. Now, there is a catch here, which I really don't like, but now this is what freelance is all about. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. So they will give you an unpaid 800-word article trial. Sometimes you have to weigh these things, guys. If you think that this 800-word article trial will lead you a good client in the end, then maybe it is worth sacrificing. So that's it about copysmiths.com, guys. I hope you can head over there, read all the description, and if you feel like you would want to work with them, please send them an email and wait for the good news, hopefully. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor and click the red button, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, okay, so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope this video was helpful. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, okay? Comment down below if you have any question or just anything. Just talk to me, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.